All right, so in the last lecture, we learned how to create a link, right? So we saw that we created a link. I'm just going to undo this because I want you to have this in your exercise files. But we see how we can create a link and even make it to go to another different, to open a new tab, right? So let's go ahead and do a save as on this document. And on this lecture here, we're going to be learning how to create an image with a link, a clickable image, which is super useful. So link images, that HTML, that's what I'm going to call this page. All right, and we should have it updated here also. Perfect. So how do we create a clickable image? Well, let's first make the image, right? So I'm going to go back to my images.html. I'm just going to copy my image here. There we go. Bring it from there. I'm just going to get it back and let's go to link images and let's just paste it in there. All right. Make sure that if you don't have your image here, like I didn't for some reason, you Control Z on it. All right, so that way you can get it back. You don't do anything there. If you follow me strictly, you probably did not have it like me, but just go back to your image.html or create one if you want. All right, it's super easy to create one. Let's go to links underscore images, and we have them here too. So how do we create a clickable image? Well, all we have to do, believe it or not, is wrap this whole image in the tag itself. I'm gonna Control or Command X that and wrap that whole thing in there. There we go. I'm just gonna take that text off, and that's it. This is gonna be a clickable image now. Let's go back to it. Let's refresh, and now if I click on it, look at that. It's gonna go and take me to images.html. I click on it again. Perfect, right? And now, as a matter of fact, you can wrap this link in any tag you want. You want to create an H1, you can go ahead and let's comment this out. And you can create an H1 here, saying something like, hello, instructor, or student, because I'm saying hello to you, right? As student. And if I go back to it, we have this big H1 tag that looks like a link, right? Because we have the underline right here and we click on it. There we go. Wow, nice, right? So we can make anything clickable. Just keep that in mind. Any element you want, you can make it clickable. All right, not just the image. But anyway, hopefully you learn a lot on this lesson here. And I'll see you in the next one. It was a pleasure, like always. Take care, and you're doing a great job. If you're following me, you're going to get very far in life. So keep doing it, right? Don't get bored and don't get distracted. Let's do it.